All right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks for watching Roschetzky Photography's GigaTexas drone videos. We are here for Sunday Fun Day. Let's get it going and let's get right to it. Thanks for watching. Here it is. So the first thing I noticed right after I took off was this massive expansion going on in the entryway of GigaTexas. Tesla is expanding the roadways, coming in and out of the factory to help with the traffic and the massive amounts of workers that currently are employed here at GigaTexas. And look what we have right here. Good old Tesla. As we back away from GigaTexas, you can see a clear shot of this amazing landscape that has been transformed from what was once trees and ponds is now a growing electric car factory that's creating the futuristic 4680 battery cells and is going to revolutionarily change the entire landscape of the auto industry forever and produce the one and only Cybertruck. Also, the Tesla Semi, Model Y, and much more to come. So let's check out GigaTexas and fly around the factory and see what we have in store today for Sunday Fun Day. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, the bell notification, and all that great stuff so we can keep these videos coming. Thanks again. I can almost see it now. A Tesla city with the finished GigaTexas, Cybertrucks driving around, clean air, and amazing sunsets, hanging out with the crew. Man, the future's looking great here in Austin. So it does seem that the GigaPress area is going to take a little bit longer on these angled sections, but the movement and the progress is coming along, and I'm happy to see more of these final touches being put into place on this building. Look, we're getting so close you can see the rebar. You can almost see inside the building right there. God, I can't wait for that Cybertruck. Come on, Elon. Let's get it going. And again, I need to give a special shout out to all of my Patreon supporters. I want to thank you so much for all of your support. It really helps keep this channel going. And again, all of you out there, if you think this video's brought you value, think about supporting me on Patreon as well. There's a link in the description. But everyone else out there, the best form of support is simply being here watching my videos. But I want to give a special shout out again to all my Patreons. Thanks again to Bob Callahan, Butch McIntosh, David and Sarah Delgado, Rick Thor, Tyler Schaefer, Rick Carter, Russell Dixon, Nira Tilshin, David Wheeler, Clayton Handelman, San Electric, Leela Elliott, Adam Block, Devin Hunter, EV Bike Dude. Thanks again, everyone out there, for supporting me on my channel. I want to give a special thanks again to everyone who supported me and all of my top Patreons who's given me at least $1 a month. So thanks again. To get your name on here, all you have to do is support me for $1 a month and we'll get your name on these videos as well. Thanks again for watching the videos and continue. Enjoy. So happy that I was able to get back out here and fly. Can't wait to see you again. Maybe I'll get to see you guys a few times more throughout the week. We will have rainstorms coming up this week, so we'll see how it goes. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time from Giga, Texas. At this point, my battery life started getting pretty low, so I started flying back a little faster. Are you bad?
No, is this a bad skating park?
No.
That. I got a new game today.
Alright, we gotta get these,
Hey, is that purple or dark blue? Yep, that's dark blue. There's purple.
I don't see it. Hey guys, this is my editing room. Check this out. Got the old editing rig going on. It's like a rave party non-stop in here. I'll get that changed up one day. This is check out this panoramic view of San Francisco. This is what I love about California. Look at that view. This is the old editing room. Got the my artwork up on the walls. Got the Golden Gate Bridge. This is the Painted Ladies. And this is the 360 Bridge of Austin, Texas.